Sandtray therapy allows kids to process their traumas through telling stories with toys. The limited space, the static toys, and the messy sand are barriers to accessible therapy services. A gamified digital therapy could help. Kids can easily pick up toys, build a scene, and tell their stories to therapists. We work closely with our clients to pinpoint the crucial needs, so our solution will bring real and measurable results.
We embrace a user-first mindset. Our designs are intuitive, ensuring young users aged 6 to 18 feel at ease, while giving therapists a clear lens to observe.
Artists and developers collaborated to seamlessly integrate many miniatures, ensuring each piece is not just visually stunning, but also easy to control. The miniature collection is diverse and inclusive. The innovative customization unlocks the possibility in narration.
So to assist with the development, we developed a series of tools, among others, the miniature creation tool that has assisted both us in creating all our miniatures and will also assist any future developers in the future to expand on the assets.
We're all about rapid cycles of testing, learning, and evolving, ensuring every feature meets the needs of our clients and users.
So by the end of this term, both the client and I are inspired by this multidisciplinary team. They demonstrate how technological innovation can improve healthcare service.